So good morning guys, my name is Danish Hajidabom and my matrix ID is 10EP20F103. So today I'm going to do CSF Lab 3. CSF stand for Communication System Elevator. So for first question I'm going to find out the waveform for this question, which was the KP will be 1 and the VWAM will be 3 and FM is 300. And then I'm going to extract the VC and FC from VCT to 7 sine 2n 3000t. So let's do it guys. So first I'll open the analog mode, then for VC I put in 7, then for VM I put 3, then for FC I put 3000, for FM thirds I put 300, and then KFKP as the left show is 1. So I'm going to find the phase modulation. So this is the output I get: modulating signal, carry signal, and then the modulated signal. So now I'm going to do the second graph. So which was I was using back the same value, but then I only changed some of the digit, which was for VM will be 5V, and then for the table 2 VM will be 8V. So first VM I changed to 5, and then the output is this one, and then for the third table I'll change 8, and then this is my output. So that's all from me guys, thanks for watching.